Workflow at a standstill because of the Ftp library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized networking logic conflict for good. Before we dive into the Ftp library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Ftp library, a generic FTP client module. It manages unmanaged localized protocol handshakes for File Transfer Protocol, FTP, facilitating the data link for remote file uploads and downloads. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. FTP is a restricted library bundled with the localized networking logic engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the FTP library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Most individual downloads of Ftp library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Ftp library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Ftp library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.